Okay, let's get into it. Let's see here. Little zombie. Alright, see. Ooh, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Let's go. So we're gonna so we got ours. We're gonna get this one as well. Our nuggets in this one, and I guess Jawbone Boy. I forgot his name. Okay. I will remember it, so don't worry. Okay, let's go. Okay, what? Oh, okay. You guys are coming? Okay. I'm gonna place a tender there. Our defeater. I'm gonna place you right there. Okay, so we have enough. So I'm gonna place you right there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And we're gonna also place our defender right there. I don't know. I'm gonna call him Walnut. Okay. Nice. This is doing great. What, already? Oh, literally already? Okay. Well, this is the end of my life now. Okay, well. No. I want you guys to stop right now. Okay. Look what you did to my plan. You want me to place it there? Okay, I see. I don't know, but okay, let's place him there. I'm already done with this level, literally already. Oh, okay. So you're coming already, that's what I see. Well, I need you to stop right now. Oh my god. But I guess you use it. Let's go. Hey. Let's see here now. Just ignore my little sister. She's annoying, I know. Like, literally annoying. Okay, come on. Let's go. Keep off. Right, let's go. No, I don't want to buy it. We're back. Sorry guys, I had a hiccup. We're back. Okay. Okay guys, I'm sorry because my camera turned off for a few hours. So we're back. I'm sorry, I know, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna, okay. Oh, this is hard. You know what? I guess I'll get this one. Okay, I got it. Let's get these ones and these ones in. Let's go! Okay, oh, come on. You know what? So place our defenders right here. Our nuts. Yeah, I said it. And do not press paste me. It's because I'm a kid. Alright. Now we're gonna place these guys right here. All of them. Chicken mines go right here. And these go. Oh, goes right here. More nuts. I'm not gonna joke it up. We're gonna fill this whole thing. Okay, you know what? I'm pretty sure this is the time to go. That's why I got the blue one. Let's go. Let's go. No, they're not gonna beat this. Okay. We're doing kind of hard work. Oh, yeah. Oh, not you again. Okay, how? Oh. Okay, so we're just gonna just freeze everybody. Okay, let's go. Who's gonna be there? Oh, there we go, take another. Okay, I'm doing really good so far. Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay, well. Oh, you guys. Okay, guys, I accidentally pressed the. Okay, I actually pressed on the stop recording button, so sorry. Oh, okay, that was cool. And go. Alright. They're doing really good, I'm not gonna lie. Any nuts have not got hurt yet. I'm not gonna lie. And we got it. There it is. Wow. A good two double sunflowers. Good double sunflowers. Okay, let's go. Nothing. Alright, the same map as last time I made a Plants vs Zombies video. Okay, let's go. My taco case is so close, I can't smell it. Beware, user Dave. User Dave. Dr. Zomba still sends our way. What does the guy have and send tacos with me? Okay. We're just gonna skip all that. Alright. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna place you right there. Like you right there. Oh no. This guy's actually controlling everyone. Okay. We're gonna place you right there. We're gonna place you right there. Right there. And you right there. Yep, these guys are doing kind of work. Bro, stop. Let's go. Come on, little nuggies. Little nuggies. We actually do need protection later, I'm pretty sure. Oh no. 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 And get him. Okay. Oh, gold. Okay. Okay. Okay, I need to freeze everyone. Okay. Let's go. Oh, we already lost it? Oh my god. Alright. So where's he going down? Oh, he's up here. Nice, nice, nice. And get him! I knew it, that was coming. And get that guy as well, because he's annoying. And boom! Okay. So we're just gonna place the plants right here. Oh my gosh. Oh no. There you go, he's already. Oh. Alright, okay, there's no way. I need you to go away, please. Thanks. Right, nice. Also, you guys. Nah. Okay. What do we do? What do we do? Okay, we're just gonna place our right here. And I guess right here because he destroyed it once again. Oh my god. No joking, actually healing it up. Very nice. Do another one? And get boomed! Okay. Nice. Get destroyed. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, what do we do? Oh, not you again. Oh my god, get him. Okay, nice. Oh my god, he's almost dead. He's literally almost dead. Get that punch. Okay, that hurt. Oh, I'm sorry. And get away. Because you're doing everything. What? No. I need you to stop. I need you to stop right now. There you go. And we got him. A pirate key? Okay. Now, I know this game, but I just know it. So I'll just skip all that. I know how that reads. Well, good luck. Okay, let's go. Okay, this ain't bad. Okay, let's go. The video's not over yet. And we unlocked it. What did we get? I know. So it looks like we get random items, I guess. Cool. Okay, and let's just go. Gonna complete 12 more levels. Okay, let's go. I know how these work. There it is. Okay, do we have anything? Peanuts. Can shoot peas and block zombies. Okay. Oh, but I'm not buying it. Gotta get this. I don't think we don't need this anymore. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. This guy. Bong Choi. Okay, his name is Bong Choi. Okay. I need to upgrade these guys. Like, you know what? Not right now. We're just gonna. How about, yeah, let's just get the peanut. I got the peanut. Let's go. So, right off the bat, we're just gonna start collecting sun. Let's go. Oh no! rain. So, thanks for the sun. I can show you right there. Oh, okay. It's like the double pea shooter, but different. Okay, cool. Okay, we're gonna place you right there. This is actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna place you right here. Come on, it's not that hard. Okay, let's go. We're gonna freeze you. Okay, come on, sunflowers. Okay, we got it. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright. Wait, what? Wait, how are you not dead yet? Where did you come from? You're a pirate. Oh, no. Okay. Shoot him. Come on. It's not that hard. Okay, nice. Looks like we're already gonna win. We're only using peanuts. Okay. Oh my god. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna give you double shields. And there we go. Oh, it blocks? Okay, you know what? I actually like this ability of the peanuts. Come on. No, you're just gonna take forever. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go. I got corn. Okay. Alright. Well, there's a cat in the toilet. I'm gonna block that off because I don't want to get terminated or demonetized. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there's nothing. Wait, what? Oh, there's a pigeon? Nah. Okay. Nah, bro, I have to get this. Nah, there's nothing here. Maybe we can use some type of corn. Maybe it's because of that. And then we're gonna use walnut, and I guess a bong. Nah, the frozen ticket. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. So already with the bat, we're just gonna start playing at TDs. Okay, so he comes from over there, so I need to play up. Like already, we're gonna place these plants right here. Okay. Maybe I just need one sunflower. It's literally just one. Okay. Oh, come on. It's not that hard. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I need to slow down. Bro, where did you come from? Where did you come from? No, go away. No. No. Get noob. Bro, what was that? Oh my god. Bro, no. Oh my gosh, that was weird. I was actually kind of creepy, and not gonna lie. How was that creepy? Alright, we're just gonna, I guess, do this, and he's gonna let us do it. Just gonna let us. Can you guys go away, bro? Oh, would they get butter? They literally. I closed my camera again. Oh my gosh. Yes, get them. There's a pigeon. Oh my god, there's a pigeon right there. Okay, I need to freeze everyone. I need to stop this dump. How did you not get frozen? How? Nah, bro, you guys need to stop right now. And everyone still gets frozen. Okay, and everyone just keeps getting frozen. Okay, nice. I just noticed that there's literally nothing in there. So we're just gonna place a plant. And there you go. We did it. Okay. You know what? Maybe we're not gonna stop at page 12 in this video, I'm pretty sure. We're just gonna stop here, guys. But anyways, let's get our bags of money. Yes. Anyways, thanks for watching.